Hey, good evening, everybody. Steve from OpenBOM. And lately, we've been hearing from Autodesk Fusion users some questions about how can I use the categorization catalogs that are built into OpenBOM with Fusion. And in this video, we're going to take a little deeper dive down into that and show you exactly how to do that. First, set up catalogs that are important to our business in OpenBOM. You can see here I've got a hardware catalog, I've got a COTS catalog. I've got another catalog that's going to catch all my Fusion items. I've also set up part numbering, other properties in there. There's plenty of videos on that. I'm not going to go into that now. But those catalogs have their own part numbering sequence, and they'll dispense those to CADs when they ask. Okay, I've got my catalog set up. Next, I'm going to go over to Fusion, and I'm going to open a Fusion design that has, some parts in it that represent those categories. So first and foremost, I'm just going to start here, kind of working my way down with this anchor bolt. I'm going to right mouse on that. I'm going to look for the OpenBOM assign item category command. I'm going to select that, and I'm going to say, hey, that anchor bolt feels like a piece of hardware. So I'm going to confirm that that's in the hardware category. And I'm going to do that for others that are in here. There's some pins and other things. And also down here at the bottom, I've got a pump assembly that I'm buying. And I'm also using the purchase assembly workflow here. Again, I'll cover that in another video. But you can say I've got this marked as purchased. I'm also going to assign a category for this one. Yeah, it sounds like a perfect off-the-shelf part. So I've done that here, and trust me, I've done that for other items in this design. And next, I'm going to jump over to the settings area. If you're running quick start, your settings may be a little different, but when you get to the settings, I want you to turn on the use categories option. So go ahead and enable that, save your settings. And next thing we're going to do is build the BOM. So OpenBOM is going to drop through this structure, looking at each item in Fusion and checking out what category it's supposed to be. If it needs a part number, it's going to go get one from that catalog and assign it to that item based on its categorization. So my hardware part numbers, start with H. My COTS part numbers start with C. My Fusion parts may start with F. Anyway, I set all that part numbering up in my catalogs, and then as OpenBOM builds the BOM in Fusion, we automatically assign those part numbers. So if you're interested in part number assignment, categorization, OpenBOM is the only thing for you. So once OpenBOM builds that bill of material, again, I cover a lot of the details about what's shown here in this BOM in other videos, but I want to return back to our catalogs now. Let's just take a look at that. Let's take a look at that COTS catalog. Yeah, sure enough, there's our pump. It's got a part number in it. Um, looks like I set one of my wheels up as off-the-shelf parts as well. That's got a part number assigned, and you can see from the part counts here that my other parts got binned out into those other catalogs as well. So again, that's categorization categories for OpenBOM for Fusion. Take a look at it. Set up your catalogs first in OpenBOM. Go to Fusion. Use the right mouse command. Assign item category. You'll be good to go. I'd love to hear from you at support@openbom.com.